नमस्कार. तुमकां सगळ्यांक म्हणजे प्रेस भाव आनी भयणी हांगा आसा तुमकां सगळ्यांक नमस्कार आनी येवकार. आमी आमचे गोवा फॉरेस्ट कॉर्पोरेशन सीझन 3 गोवा कॅज्यू फेस्ट सीझन 3 2025 आयोजीत करता 25, 26, 27 एप्रील. आनी तुमकां सगळ्यांक आमंत्रण आसा. प्लीज बी देर ॲट DB ग्राउंड्स ॲट 4:30 PM. आमचे फेस्टिवल सुरू जाता आणि एक खूप अभिमानाची गोष्ट की आमचे गोवा फॉरेस्ट कॉर्पोरेशन हे सीझन 3 फायनली आयोजित करता. आणि ह्या फावटी आमची टॅगलायन आसा एक्सप्लोर, एम्पावर आनी एनरिच. आमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा आमी सगळीं हांगा गोंयकार आनी काजू म्हणटा ते कितें वी ऑल नो वॉट इज द इम्पॉर्टन्स ऑफ कॅज्यू टू ईच अँड एवरी गोवन. सो हें जे आमी पळय कॅज्यू फेस्टिवल आयोजीत करपाचें जे आमी ठरयलें, सो एक विजन आशिल्लें की आमचे गोंयचो काजू ताका एक मातशें म्हत्व मेळचें म्हणून. अशें दिशिल्लें की वेन आय टूक ओवर एज चेअरपर्सन ऑफ गोवा फॉरेस्ट कॉर्पोरेशन, ॲक्च्युली आमचें कॉर्पोरेशन वॉज नोन एज अ कॅज्यू कॉर्पोरेशन, कित्याक वी ओन 6,500 हेक्टर्स ऑफ कॅज्यू प्लांटेशन्स इन गोवा. म्हणल्यार इट कंप्रायझेस ऑफ यू कॅन से 12.5% ऑफ द कॅज्यू क्रॉप. फूल तर प्रोडक्शन आमी तर गोंय राज्यान पळयलें 56,000 हेक्टर्स ऑफ कॅज्यू हेक्टर्स काजू प्लांटेशन सद्या आसा गोंय राज्यान, विच इज मोर लायक एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट एंड ऑल. तातूंतले 12.5% बिलोंग्स टू अस. सो वी आर कायंड ऑफ लायक मेजर म्हणटा तशें आमचें हॉर्टिकल्चरल क्रॉप हो. सो जेन्ना वेन आय टूक ओवर आमी वी वर थिंकींग की ह्या काजूचे हांगा आमी पळयतात की वेगळी वेगळी फेस्टिवल्स जातालीं गोंय राज्यान. बियर फेस्टिवल, कितें वायन फेस्टिवल आनी फूड फेस्टिवल. पण हें आमचें हंबल फ्रूट काजू वीच आमी म्हणटा आमची लेगसी, आमची हेरिटेज. प्रत्येक गोंयकाराक वी आर व्हेरी प्रावड ऑफ अवर कॅज्यू म्हणटा तशें. अशें ना की कोणाच्या घरा फाटल्यान तरी एक काजूचें झाड तरी आसतलेंच. आमी प्रत्येक तर गांवांनी तर पळयलें जाल्यार काजू आसतलोच. पण अशें दिसलें की ओवर द इयर्स दीस कॅज्यू कायंड ऑफ हॅड लॉस्ट इट्स आयडेंटिटी. आनी गरज आशिल्ली की हें काजूक तितलोच म्हत्व मेळपाक जाय. तेंच कारण हें आयोजीत करपाक कॅज्यू फेस्टिवल म्हणटा आमी काजू महोत्सव. कित्याक आमी इट इज नॉट ओन्ली अबावट like it is not only our vision about the cashew or taking cashew. It is not only ki cashew चे कितें म्हणजे it is whether it is about the फेणी or we are not talking only about the फेणी or about the nut. It is actually, I would say, it is like a cashew story. I would call it a cashew story. म्हणजे from farm to the table story. It's a cashew story. It's a story I want to show through the eyes of the main stars of the cashew fruit. That is, I would call the farmers, the self-help groups and the local artists. Artists म्हणल्यार कोण आमचे पळय जे भट्टीचेर काम करतात, जे फेणी करतात, उर्राक निरो करतात, who has this knowledge, they are the main stars of this. आमचे जे नट प्रोसेसर्स आसा, जे ड्रम रोस्टिंग करतात, ताका ते नट सेपरेट करतात, फ्रूट सेपरेट करतात, ताजो दॅट होल प्रोसेस जो दाखयता. That is the reason we have this the nuts which are, we can say, world famous. We call सगळे जे टुरिस्ट गोंय राज्यान येता पयलीं वता एक ड्रायफ्रूट स्टोरान वतात अँड फॉर देअर फ्रेंड्स अँड फॅमिली they take back what they take back. We all know is the cashew nuts, the Goan cashew nuts. आमी तर खंय वता एनी पार्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड ऑर द कंट्री आमी व्हरतात आमचे गोवा कॅज्यू. But what we came to know is आमचे production actually is quite less compared to the national average, which is say 750 is the national average. आमचे production गोंय राज्यान is 430. आणि कॅज्यू स्टार्टेड बिकॉज आमची पळय जी लेगसी आसा आज आनी 10 वर्सांनी 15 आनी 50 वर्सांची न्ही. इट स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम द 16th century, केम फ्रॉम विथ द पोर्चुगीज आनी तेन्नाच्यान ही लेगसी आसा. दॅट्स वाय वी कॉल इट आमची कॅज्यू लेगसी ऑर कॅज्यू हेरिटेज. सो हें तर आमी तर ग्लोबल स्टेजार पावोवपाक जाय. आमी ग्लोबल प्लॅटफॉर्म ताका तर मेळपाक जाय. आमकां कितलेशे विरोधी दे टॉक एंड दे आस्क अस you're spending taxpayers' money, you're spending money on this, having this Kaju festival. What is it? It is just music, and dance, and drink, and yeah. But no, our festival is a festival with a difference because through this festival, if you speak to any stakeholder who is participating, and we have our seasoned stakeholders, last 3 years, without fail, the same stakeholders participate. Every year, this year, आमचे stalls increase केले. We have sold out within the first few days of whatever. We are still getting inquiries, but we don't want to increase the stalls and whatever because we just want to stick to what we are trying. आमी लोकांक दाखोवपाक सोदता की बाबा हे कॅज्यू फेस्टिवल आमी करता कित्या खातीर जी आमचे पळय जे फार्मर आसात जे दे टॉयल इन द फिल्ड्स जे ते काम करतात ते तांकां ती लागवड ते करतात लागवड सारकी लागना तांकां मिनिमम सपोर्ट प्रायस तितलो मेळना प्रोडक्शन कित्याक कमी जाला ओवर द इयर्स आमचे पळय कॅज्यू आमचो पळय एक्चुअल कॅज्यू गोवन कॅज्यू आसा ताजो तर टेस्ट इफ यू सी इट इज वे डिफरंट फ्रॉम वॉट यू गेट इन कर्नाटका ओरिसा महाराष्ट्रा केरला all these states have huge production of cashew but आमचे गोंय राज्याचे प्रोडक्शन इज कमी जाला कित्याक कमी जाला बिकॉज एग्रीकल्चरल प्रॅक्टिसीस कमी जाल्या फार्मर टेक्निक्स हॅव गॉन डावन तांकां फार्मर्स डोंट नो हाव टू लूक आफ्टर देयर प्रोडक्शन आमचे जे फार्मर्स आसा दे नीड मीन्स वी नीड टू इन्सेंटिवायज लायक the agriculture department needs to give them training, proper training की बाबा ही तुझी लागवड कशी करची how do you have to look after your plantations मातशे वीड लागले आता because ती चडशे काजू आसा ते सगळे जंगलशे जाला so how do you reduce it because how do we increase our production through GFDC आमचे जे 6,500 plantations आसा that was also neglected for quite a few years but last 4 years now when amche MD he was the GM of the corporation he started in 2000 I think 21 he started amche rejuvenating some plantations 70 hectares I think he started I took over in 22 then again we rejuvenated because we said that we have to look after our plantations आमी तर दुसऱ्याक तर if we want to be a role model and tell the other farmers or the other industry we have to start our corporation if it's called a cashew corporation how do we change this so we started with rejuvenating so dusre disa so the last now 3 years आमी rejuvenate केल्या 450 hectares this year we are rejuvenating 280 more hectares in the next 2 years I think we are going to complete we're going to take up another 1500 hectares of rejuvenation of plantation if we see आता थोडे आमचे तालुका आसा से सालसेत तालुका तिसवाडी बार्देस बाकीचे ते तालुका मॅक्सिमम आमचे प्रोडक्शन जाता काणकोण केपे पेडणे सत्तरी बट पोंडा but एक 2-3 तालुका आसा where production is not much so we can still try from our side whether it's agriculture department they've also written to the union ministry through the horticulture corporation की बाबा हे सगळे जे schemes आसा ते आमच्या फार्मरा पर्यंत पावोवचे since like I've been after the ministry आमची agriculture ministry and last 3 years when I took over minimum support price to the farmers was 120 आणि आज farmersक 170 मेळटा आमचे 70 तरी I can say that 3,500 farmers got 2,500 farmers got 3.5 crores of rupees minimum support price hali so this information was given to me by my zonal agriculture officer so हांव मागता की प्रत्येक जो zonal agriculture officer आसा प्रत्येक तालुकाचो ताणे तर ते एफर्ट्स घेतले आणि पळयले की बाबा जो मिनिमम सपोर्ट प्रायस जो गव्हर्मेंट हॅज अश्युअर्ड टू द फार्मर्स ते फार्मरा पर्यंत कशें पावतले कित्याक कितलेशे तुमी यू नो द प्रेस किप्स ऑन आस्किंग की हे जो मिनिमम सपोर्ट आसा तांकां टायमली पावना आमच्या फार्मराक हो कसो पावोवपाचे सो इदर जे फार्मर्स सोसायटी आसा द एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट द गव्हर्मेंट टेक्स अप takes them into confidence कि you give responsibility to the zonal officer कि you take responsibility for the farmers and you see that every taluka तुगेले जितले farmers registered आसा शेतकरी तांकां ते ती निधी पावोवपाक जाय. आमी आमच्या through our GFDC corporation we employ over 300 self-help groups, 300 farmers आणि तांकां जे कितें पयशे पावोवपाचे आसा minimum support price, we pay them our minimum support price. They are not part of the agriculture department, but GFDC is paying them their minimum support price. So that we have taken the responsibility to look after them and give them their minimum support price. So आता agriculture department has started this initiative आणि हे price वाडयला. So this is like a big jump for us म्हणटा तशे की like a positive way that this movement has been created, that it is just not like a celebration म्हणटा तशे about music and ये, but it has caused like a cashew ये GI फेणी, आमची फेणी has finally got the GI tag, which was not there. And first time it's a very proud moment that amcho Kasgar Bhakta, he is exporting his feni and he is the only distiller right now in Goa who has just got his GI tag officially, and he is exporting it and his bottle will be GI tagged. So today feni is priced from like 200 to 500 rupees to 3,500 rupees, which we never saw. So over the last 3-4 years, आमी पळयला की फेणी is being exported to many different countries. People are talking about नाजाल्यार गोंया फक्त निरो आनी हुराकच जाण आसले. फेणी it was looked down upon as a poor man's drink, but आता फेणी is different forms of फेणी you get. So and we can call it like a, we can call Feni as our national drink actually, because it is the only drink which Goa knows to make, our people know to make, and no other state can sell it as Feni because we have got the GI tag. So that is like a big advantage for us. So this is helping our distillers. Our distillers who are our stakeholders are very happy that the festival has given them first time a platform. आणि हे एकमेव फेस्टिवल अशें की वी डोंट अलाव एनी अदर लिकर टू बी सर्वड बिकॉज दिस इज कॅज्यू सेंट्रीक. वी वॉन्ट टू टेक कॅज्यू टू द नॅशनल एंड द ग्लोबल लेवल म्हणटा तशें. आमचो जो कॅज्यू आसा हंबल फ्रूट म्हणटा, नट वर्ल्ड फेमस नट कॅज्यू नट, पण ते ताका पळय जो एक दर्जा मेळपाक जाय, आय स्टील फील इट हॅज नॉट गॉट. सो वी हॅव टू टेक इट टू द ग्लोबल लेवल एंड दिस फेस्टिवल it has created a vibe and people are talking about it. Hopefully now we will take it to the national level soon, by next year maybe, and slowly maybe to the international level too. And our cashew nut asuni ki amchi feni asuni should reach every nook and corner of the world. Whether you see scotch or you see tequila, vodka and whatever, it is jagbar saglyak meita, but feni is not easily available. When you take it to the global level, automatically तुजो फेणी डिस्टिलर आसा पळय ताका बेनिफीट जातलो. तो बेनिफीट जाता म्हणसर हू सप्लायज हिम द फ्रूट? इट इज द फार्मर एंड द सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप. सो दे इनडायरेक्टली गेट बेनिफिटेड विथ इट. प्रायस वाडटलो, तांकां जे मुट्टे जे सप्लाय जाता ते मुट्टे आमचे जाल्यार फार्मर कितें करता, नट काडटा, मुट्ट्यांक तांकां प्रायस मेळना म्हणून तशेंच सोडटात. लोकल एडजस्ट एट लोकल लेवल दे यूज एंड दे डोंट हे. बट टुमोरो अ डिस्टिलर गेट्स अ गुड प्रायस इंटरनॅशनली, तो तितलो एक्स्ट्रा पेमेंट करतलो आमच्या फार्मराक आनी सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुपांक आनी दे वील बेनिफीट. सो दीस इज वन फ्रूट वेर देर इज झिरो वेस्टेज. फ्रुटी यूज जाता, ताजो नटी यूज जाता, आणि ताजे पळय जे शेल्सय आसा, शेल्स आर ऑल्सो यूज्ड ऑफ द नट टू आमचे पळय बोट्स बी आसा ताका वार्निश करतात, प्रेजर्वेटिव्स म्हणून यूज करतात. इन आयुर्वेदा doctors are using the shells and all and the fruit, even the fruit mutte, for ayurvedic treatment. They are using it. So there is not a part of this fruit which is like gone to waste manta tashe. So yeah, this is the motive behind the festival, where we want to showcase the humble cashew fruit, our legacy, our heritage to India and to the global stage. And this is the reason we have this festival. And when we say explore, means you come and explore our heritage म्हणटा आमी, legacy. You empower आमचे farmer, आमचे distiller, आमचे nut processor, आमचे self-help group. That's why we say empower. And enrich means you come and get a enriching experience. So experience that you get. So प्रत्येक फावटी वी आर शोईंग आमची इथे एक भाटी आसता, एक ड्रम रोस्टिंग जाता. ह्या फावटी आनी एक फेणी, Clement of Aniek Feni, he has taken the initiative. He's put us like a full experience center, which he's taken out on his own. Means he said, I will support you all, and he's doing it on his own. So entire experience center म्हणजे थंय there will be एक भाटी आसतली, कशी फेणी करतात, कसो उराक करतात ते दाखयतले. थंय स्टॉम्पिंग जातले. फर्स्ट टायम यू विल सी स्टॉम्पिंग हॅपनिंग ऑफ द काजू. काजू पळय मळटात आमचे पळय आमी गांवांनी पळयतात. सो एक थंय so people, friends, like everybody can come together. So at one time 4-5 friends can actually come and do the proper cashew stomping and experience cashew कशे मळटात ते. मागीर besides that there is going to be drum roasting. जे गांवांनी काजू पळय रोस्ट करून मेळटा तसले काजू आसतले. देर विल बी अ नट एक्सट्रॅक्टर विच इज जस्ट रिसंटली इनोवेशन. दिस इज अ न्यू इनोवेशन, अँड दॅट टू दिस इनोवेशन स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम सत्तरी. सो पोरूय दाखयल्लो दॅट नट एक्सट्रॅक्टर जातलो, वेर यू पुट दॅट थिंग and the nut gets separated, the fruit gets separated, and तुजो juice येता. So all this experience is there for the tourists to come and experience it. At the same time, Mr. Macwas is having a gazebo there, curated by Samira Seth, and it's called a Leblanc market. And we are having various artists. One artist is called, I think, Rohit M. Narayan, who's going to like do caricatures, and he's going to paint like cashew history म्हणटा तशे. Another artist is Chari, who's I think a caricature, so he's going to be there. And this entire gazebo there, which is sponsored by Mr. Macwas, is going to tell the entire story of the cashew manta deshe. And I think entire proceeds of this is going to he's very close to the armed forces, so the proceeds are going to go to the armed forces. So Samira Seth is the curator. She's going to curate this thing. So it is going to be a very different kind of a thing. So where you are having a gazebo, we are having 3-4 artists showing the story of cashew, everything connected to cashew. There's going to be a saxophonist playing there, and there's going to be this experience center where Mr. Aniek of Clement of Aniek Feni is doing the experience center. आमचे various more than 50 food and beverage stalls. Our menu is 50% cashew and 50% is general. And liquor is only cashew. So whether it is Nero, Hurrak or Feni, they do cocktails. You can use other mixtures to it, but the prime ingredient is only cashew. So the festival is only about cashew, whether it is the nut, whether it's the fruit. And before the festival, the morning session is going to have our technical sessions. Last 2 seasons we have had it. This year also we are having it. We are having more panelists this time discussing about the agricultural practices, how to maintain the plantations, about Ayurveda. Dr. Sneha Bhagwat does how you use the cashew fruit for Ayurvedic purposes. Then we are having our forest people talking about the way we are growing our plantations. आमचे जे plantations are I think only plantations in Goa where actually you can say is the actual Goan variety of cashew, which we do our own seedling variety. So we do our own grafting, we do our own seed germination, and what we are planting in our plantations are the authentic Goan variety which you used to get. Kidak ata you have a lot of Vengurla variety which is available in Goa, what you see in the plantations. But GFDC has only the Goan variety and no other variety. And all our plantations, आमी जे rejuvenate करतात, we are using only our variety. seedling variety. This year we have, I think, grown over 80,000 seedlings, and we are going to use. I mean, we sell them also. We have lot of people inquiring. We are going to sell it, but over 60,000 we are going to use to rejuvenate our own plantations, because if we are way below the national average, we have to see बाबा आमची एवरेज कशी वाडोवपाची. आमकां तर कॅज्यू एक्चुअल गोवन कॅज्यू तर जगभर पावोवपाक जाय. आमचे जे नट प्रोसेसर्स आसा, we see that nuts are being exported, whether first it was from Vietnam or from Ghana, from other states, because तांकां गोंयचो काजू कमी पडटा. So if they are going to sell their cashew, they need, that is their business. So आमकां तर स्वता तर आमचे गोवन कॅज्यू वरायटी तर वाडोवपाक जाय. The only way is we improve our plantations, we increase our growth, rejuvenate and improve our production. That is the only way. So what we were seeing is, we came to know that coastal belt is having lot of spurious cashew, where last 3 years when we started this season, cashew season, we wrote to FDA. So last 2 seasons, 2 years now, FDA has been kind of attacking the entire North Goa coastal belt, and they have been visiting lot of cashew stalls over there, and they have found lot of mixed cashew. And is very means actually वयल्यान धवे काजू घालतात, actually तर पॅकेट ओपन केले भितर सगळे कुशिल्ले कॅज्यू. सो इट वॉज लायक अ व्हेरी शेमफूल थिंग दॅट इन द नेम ऑफ ब्रँड गोवा, cashews were being sold like that. So lakhs of rupees of cashew FDA has kind of confiscated, and they have closed down many outlets. So they have come very strict about it. This was one of the things that we have achieved with this festival season 3, but we have managed that there is strict, people are taking strict action. Means ते पासून आता भितले की बाबा आता आमी मिक्स करून काजू विकपाचे. दे आर गोइंग टू बी मोर स्कॅर्ड नाव टू सेल द कॅज्यू इन दॅट वे. आमकां तर ऑथेंटीक कॅज्यू तर आमचे गोंय राज्याचे तर कॅज्यू जगभर पावोवपाक जाय जाल्यार आय थिंक वी हॅव टू चेंज सर्टन पॉलिसी डिसिजन्स. our government has to make policy decisions ki amche je nut processor asa, why are they putting units outside Goa? Because they are putting, Maharashtra is giving them incentives, so they are putting units outside Goa. So our government, Mananiya Mukhyamantri Kadain ulayla, and they are making efforts to change it, to attract the nut processors back into our state. So none of the processors go outside Goa to do the processing units. So once the processing units come into Goa, we will definitely, it will benefit. It's all about demand and supply. We increase our supply. Demand तर असाच, but supply कमी असा म्हणून this is the whole issue. We change policy decisions, and government is at it, like how we have improved the minimum support price. So I'm sure the nut processors, what they have asked for, that is also going to happen. Feni has already got GI tagged by the state. The nut, the cashew nut, is in the process of getting GI tagged. म्हाका दिसता आनी 1-2 म्हयन्यांनी the nut will also get GI tagged. So nobody tomorrow will be able to sell the cashews as GI tagged, because you will have to go through that process. A panel astale, there will be a committee who will actually monitor baba what nut is actually goan kai kireto. So that process is going on. That is also one of our efforts to get the nut also GI tagged, because cashew nut जो गोंयचो आसा मोठोय एक वेगळोच फ्लेवर आसता, सायज वेगळी आसता आनी नटाची सायज वेगळी आसता. So this is all this entire process. आणि एक म्हणटा ते this time, I think this is also one more achievement for us, that we got inquiry from Bombay, one of a big food chain, like a patisserie, like a pastry shop from Bombay. They approached us saying that we want to come to Goa and participate in your cashew festival. So first time we are having a stakeholder from Mumbai. So it's called a Food Paradise. It is a chain of it's a patisserie. They have shops in Bombay and they have a franchisee in Gujarat. So they said we want to tap the Goa market, and we have heard about your Kaju festival, and we want to come to Goa and we want to put up a stall. So it is just all their desserts are going to be just Kaju based. They are very high end kind of desserts, Kaju based, and they are coming to Goa and putting up a stall first time at the festival. So that is like a big achievement for us ki गोंयचे भायले कोण तरी येता आनी is investing and in coming to Goa and putting up a stall. At the same time, first time we are having a bartender coming all the way from Thailand. So he was supposed to come in June, but to do a trail, Feni trail, distillery trail. Just now, few days back, we had a Japanese bartender coming who had come to Goa, and he had done this whole trail of the distilleries in Goa. But now it was too short; he couldn't stay for long. So we have invited the Japanese the association bartenders for next year's Kaju festival, and they have accepted, and I'm sure they will be coming next time, and we will take it to other more maybe Southeast Asian countries too. But now it is like a proud moment that the bartender who was supposed to come in June, he preponed because he came to know ki baba Goy Rajyan a festival ata jata, and he was told about it, and he's coming for the festival specially. He's taking part in the technical session. He's going to speak with Mr. Hansel Vaz in his panel, that is Kazulo Feni Distillers, Vaz Enterprises. He's going to speak on Kaju, the distillation process, or the various aspects of how to market this product to the world and how to take it to the next level. So we are having a bartender from Thailand this time. I won't talk about our two new initiatives, but as you know, Goa Kaju Festival Amche is part of our GFDC. Since inception, since our vision, last 2 years, this is season 3. GFDC has grown beyond Kaju Mantatashe. We have ventured out into ecotourism. We are the nodal agency for the Forest Corporation, and we have started Sylvan. Our ecotourism brand is called Sylvan brand, and we have started Bondla Eco Cottages in Bondla, where we have renovated 12 cottages. We have started a den restaurant there. We do bird trails, so it is like a package. People can come, and we are trying to show Goa beyond the beaches. आमी जेन्ना म्हणटात गोंय राज्यांत तुमी येतात, Goa is not only about just the sun, sand or the beach. There is so much more to Goa than just the sun and the beaches. गोंय राज्यान येता आनी लोक म्हणटा, ओ this is also there in Goa, that is also there in Goa. ओ देवळांय आसा गोंया. नाल्यार लोकांक दिसता बाबा गोंय राज्यान फक्त बीच आसा, हें आसा, एक 4 चर्ची आसा. No, but there is so much more to it. And more than that, there is something called as very big and rich fruit called the Kaju fruit, which is one fruit where it has helped like thousands of farmers, thousands of self-help group, hundreds of distillers, hundreds of nut processors, and I'm so happy ki आता the younger generation is coming into Kaju production. जे आमचे न्यू भुरगीं भायर शिकून आयिल्लीं, they are venturing, they are taking interest in the Feni distillation process, in the Feni distillery. They are coming into this business. They have seen that there is a market to it. Market is improving. Feni is reaching national, and there is a chance to reach the global level. So I'm very happy that new entrepreneurs are, budding entrepreneurs are coming up. Atal Incubation Center, they have also tied up with us last 3 seasons, where startups, like, because Kaju it's not only nut, or it is not only the Feni, there is value added products of Kaju. म्हणजे ताका value Kaju milk zata, Kaju butter zata, there's Kaju being used in cosmetics. So the startups are coming up to have, to start these things. So पण ताका तितले अजून startups have not come up in Goa. So it's more the nut industry, more the feni industry that is coming up. But this is like our efforts. So our Sylvan brand that we have started, like ecotourism brand, we have started in Bondla, our cottages. We have a restaurant. We do the bird trails. It's like a package. People can come and enjoy the forest Vantadashe. Don't, if you're coming 2 days to the forest, to the beach, I request people just come one day, stay in the forest, see what we are providing, how we are maintaining the civic sense, how we are keeping our forests clean. You won't see even one paper or one plastic in our areas where GFDC is maintaining the sites. We are taking care. Dudhsagar is famous, all tourists come, but we have started toilet facilities, changing room facilities. We are maintaining the entire stretch of Dudhsagar. We have started canteen there. So if you go to Dudhsagar and if you feel it is clean and there is no dirt or no plastic or no this, you can thank GFDC for it, because we have taken the initiative to maintain the entire stretch of the forest, and we are maintaining those sites. We have started in Mainapi and Sauri. We have again started waterfall tourism. We have started our own jeep safaris. Dudhsagar jeep safaris, the Tatasho, Mainapi and Sauri. We have started our own jeep safaris through GFDC, and those sites also we have again started canteen and changing rooms, toilet facilities which were not there. People log watale enjoy kartale, but they didn't have place to change their clothes or swim or enjoy. So we have provided everything for them. We are maintaining these sites. In May we are coming up with another site of ours which is at Aranyak, which is at next to Tamdi Sulla, next to Dudhsagar. So that is the Mahavir Park. There again we have taken it over from the forest department. We are having the 5 tent and we are building 10 more cottages there. So that is going to be like another attraction, another eco camp of ours, and it is definitely going to help the people, because people coming and staying there will have direct access to the waterfalls from our sanctuary inside. So that is going to be one more advantage. All that site we are going to have a restaurant there. So all these sites and amche some more sites we are coming up at other areas which you will come to know eventually. And we are unveiling 2 new initiatives at the Kaju Fest, which I invite you all to come and please take note of it and advertise it tomorrow and make news about it. I'm not going to speak about it today because it's a surprise, but these are like 2 big initiatives for GFDC, which hopefully each one of us will be very proud of, and hopefully you, each one of you will be proud of the initiative GFDC has started. One is a green initiative and another is an initiative which is directly is benefiting our farmers and our self-help groups in a big way. So these are 2 initiatives which are going to be unveiled at the hands of the Honorable Chief Minister on the 25th of April. So hope to see each one of you there. आणि थँक यू व्हेरी मच की तुम्ही टायम काढून आज हांगा आयले, आमचे कवर केला हो प्रोग्राम. आणि इट इज लायक अ पार्टनरशिप म्हणटा तशें तुमी वॉट एवर यू ऑल गिव, वेदर इट्स द प्रिंट मिडिया, डिजिटल मिडिया, you all have been giving us so much love and affection and positive reporting all these years, and this year also I'm seeing, and hopefully you'll continue, and this relationship continues in a very positive manner, and hope to see all of you at the Kaju Fest. Please come, explore, help us to empower and have an enriching experience at the Kaju Fest season 3 2025, and hope to see each one of you there. Thank you very much for all your time.
एक्सपोर्ट कितले केला बाहेर?
करून we don't so आमचे we don't sell काजू. आमचे पळय जी लागवड आसा ती आमचे जे बिडर्स आसा, फार्मर्स आसा, सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप्स आसा, ते मेंटेन करतात, आणि दे आर लुकींग आफ्टर इट. आमी झाडां दितात तांकां, आमी सगळेंच करतात, पण फाल्यां जेन्ना ते एक्सपोर्ट बी न्ही, ते कितें करतात, ते प्लांटेशनांतल्यान कलेक्ट करतात आनी आपल्याक जाय त्या प्रोसेसराक दितात. ते तांचें तें कनेक्शन आसा. सो वी आर नॉट एक्सपोर्टींग बिकॉज पयलीं म्हणटा ते आमी गव्हर्मेंट ऑर्गनायझेशन. इट वॉज like I said, over the years it was neglected. आमचे प्रोडक्शन कमी जाल्लें, तितलो फायनान्शियल बॅकअप ना. फॉरेस्ट कॉर्पोरेशन इज नॉट अ व्हेरी वेल्दी कॉर्पोरेशन. इट्स नॉट अ प्रॉफिटेबल कॉर्पोरेशन. Which we are trying to do by venturing out into other ecotourism and even other things of cashew म्हणटा तशें. We are trying to improve our plantations where tomorrow आमची प्लांटेशन्स वाडटकच बेनिफीट सगळ्यांक जातलो, आमकांय जातलो. सो नॉट येट, वी आर नॉट येट एक्सपोर्टींग इट. सो दॅट इज द होल रिझन ऑफ डुईंग दीस फेस्टिवल, बिकॉज we want to see, if you go to Bombay or if you go anywhere in the country, a Goa cashew brand म्हणून you don't see in the market. If you go to Bombay also, खंयच्या तर दुकानांनी गेला, you don't see Goa cashew brand like that. Goa cashew म्हणून खंयच्या दुकानांनी, like you see California almonds or अशें पळय you see in shops, but Goa cashew म्हणून you don't see in the markets, which we have been trying to see why we don't get that. So actually our Goa cashew should be in every nook and corner of the world as a Goan cashew brand. So which hopefully slowly it will happen. आणि हे जातलें. आनी कितें
कशें दिसता की गोंयच्या आमच्या फार्मरांक कितलो फायदो जाला ह्या फेस्टिवलाक?
खूब फायदो जाला. पयलीं म्हणटा तो मिनिमम सपोर्ट प्रायस वाडलो. 120 मेळटाले तांकां सीझन 1 टायमार. मागीर वी स्पोक अबाउट इट. आज तांकां इन 2 years 170 जाले. फ्रॉम 120 to 170 मिनिमम सपोर्ट प्रायस मेळपा लागलो. सो तेय बी तांकां खबर आसा की आमकां सरकारा कडल्यान इतले पयशे मेळटा. सो दे आर ऑल्सो टेकिंग इंट्रस्ट. सो तांकां कितें जालां आतां कॅज्यू फेस्टिवल म्हणटकच तांकां खबर आसा फार्मर्स आर बेनिफिटींग आउट. म्हणजे द नट प्रोसेसर्स तांचे कडल्यान माल व्हरता, फेणी डिस्टिलर्स आसा तांचे कडल्यान माल व्हरता. सो ताजे खातीर ते एक अवेरनस जाला, अवेरनस ऑल ओवर. सो फार्मर्सूय बी इंट्रस्ट घेवपाक लागल्या. दे आर टेकिंग केअर ऑफ देअर प्लांटेशन. सो म्हाका दिसता अकॉर्डिंग टू दॅट तांकां हो बेनिफीट जाला.
तालुक्यात चड सपोर्ट पायज दिल्या गव्हर्नमेंटान.
Sattari, I can tell you, I have seen that we are looking after our farmers. No. I can speak for Sattari. I am not the agriculture minister. But if you ask every ZAO of every taluka, he will be able to tell. I can speak for Sattari because I am responsible for Sattari. I have seen that our 2,500 farmers are over 3.5 कोटी minimum support price तांकां मेळ्ळो. सत्तरी 2,500 म्हणजे फार्मर अंडर शेतकरी निधी स्कीम, आधार स्कीम एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंटाची. 70 आमचे 6,500 फार्मर आसा. तातूंतले 2,500 फार्मर जे काजू बी करतात तांकां इतले पयशे मिनिमम सपोर्ट प्रायस मेळ्ळो. आमी करतात थ्रू GFDC आमी करतात. वी हॅव टोल्ड एवरी ZAO. तेच म्हणलें न्ही हांवें. सो आमचे जेन्ना टेक्निकल सेशन्स जाता न्ही थंय फार्मर्सूय येतात, टेक्निकल एक्सपर्ट्स, द ZAO टेक पार्ट, फ्रॉम अपेडा, फ्रॉम ICAR, फ्रॉम द कोको बोर्ड, फ्रॉम DCCD. ऑल दीज पीपल टेक पार्ट आनी टेक्निकल एक्सपर्टीज दिता फार्मरांक. आमचे हातून पोरू आमी फार्मरांक फेलिसिटेट केल्ले, जे पळय एक्टीव फार्मर्स आसा गोंय राज्यान काजूचे तांकां फेलिसिटेट केल्ले. सो तांकांय बी आमी ट्रेनिंग दितात की बाबा तुमी लागवड करतात ती कसो गॅप दवरून करपाचें, कितले सारें घालपाचें. ताका चड सारें उदक लागना, पण कितले करपाचें, कशें रोवपाचें. चड तर ते स्टेम बोरर जावनी वीड जाली कशें बाबा साफ करपाचो. फक्त रोयले आनी सोडले म्हणून जायना. यू हॅव टू लूक आफ्टर युअर प्लांटेशन्स. वी आर लुकींग आफ्टर अवर प्लांटेशन्स म्हणून आमचे पळय प्रोडक्शन आसा तें आमचें वाडलां. आमचे GFDCचें प्रोडक्शन वाडलां. आमी आतां ओंदू तर पकडले जाल्यार आमी इट विल बी लायक 700 hectares ऑफ cashew rejuvenation we have done in the last 3 years. 700 hectares. So that is going to improve the production of cashew in Goa. And this is, I'm talking about pure organic cashew. So that is definitely going to help the industry म्हणटा तशें. फाल्यां जे प्रोसेसर्स आमचे कडल्यान घेतले और फार्मर्स आमचे कडल्यान घेतले, इट इज गोइंग टू बेनिफिट द एंटायर इंडस्ट्री.
आता जो सीझन आसा तो फक्त 50 to 60% तेंचें प्रोडक्शन जाला आणि जो सीझन मे म्हयने मेरेन उरतालो आतां सोंपपाक जालो.
कित्याक मदीं पावस पडलो, फाटल्या दिसांनी पावस पडलो, अनसिजनल रेन, हे मदीं मदीं जाता. पण अजून पसून इफ यू सी ओनू प्रायस ऑफ कॅज्यू हें हाजे पयलीं केन्नाच जावं ना. पोरू पसून फार्मरांक म्हाका दिसता एक 100 रुपया मेळिल्ले, केन्ना केन्ना 95 रुपीज. फर्स्ट टायम farmers has got 162 rupees still, and they are still getting. Bagaidar asuni ki nut processors asuni, not a rupee less than 162. The farmer is still getting 162 rupees for the cashew nuts, which has never happened before. So production kami asuni, but they have not gone down on the price. There are various reasons to it. Slowly you all will come to know about it. But still the farmer has got 162 rupees, which hasn't ever happened before. This is the highest price a farmer has got for cashew till now. We have a fixed rate.
So we have already fixed, we have the fixed rate and we have kept the limit to our bidders. So we have, last year it was 110 actually. The price actually they were getting in the market, but this year
they are not part of the agriculture department.
Part of the agriculture beneficiaries. So we have keep 140 rupees for our bidders. That will be the rate will be remain stable till the end of the season. So there won't be, if any fluctuation of the rate.
आता फाल्यां बागायदार कमी करतात प्राइस, 100 रुपया करतात, 95 करतात.
आमचे सेम रेट उरतले आणि they will get the fixed rate.
Onu 140 rupees. We are not part of the agriculture department नी. So आमी एक फिक्स्ड प्राइस दवरला. ओनू तांकां 140 रुपीज दिल्या फिक्स्ड. तुका कितलोय प्राइस मार्केटान तो 100 रुपया पसून फाल्यां तर आसूनी, पण आमी तांकां 140 रुपीज दितात. फुडल्या वर्सा आमी आनी वाडयतले. Irrespective, we are going to match the price what the government is giving.
Last year जर पळयलो जाल्यार last year जो लास्ट रेट आशिल्लो तो 95 rupees आशिल्लो. So before starting of this season only we have given the assurance to our bidders and ensured that you will get 140 rupees. So we have maintained that 140 rupees, means we will be maintaining till the
end of the season. They may जावनी season, because there is a scope of the season getting little extended this time till June अशें म्हणटात. कित्याक अजून फ्लावरिंग इज चालू आसा, फ्रुटींग अजून चालू आसा थोड्या तालुकांनी, स्पेशली साउथ गोवा बी चालू आसा. थोड्या तालुकांनी कितें जालें, अनसिजनल रेन जालो, फाटल्या दिसांनी पावस पडलो, मातशें कमी जालें. But otherwise, I think the farmers have benefited this year in terms of the rate. तांकां थोडे कडेन आनी आतां 70 बी थोडे कडेन खूब मेळा म्हणटात, थोडे कमी मेळा म्हणटात, थोडे नट प्रोसेसर्स खूब मेळा म्हणटात, आनी ते बऱ्या प्रायसाक तांणी घेतल्यात फ्रॉम द फार्मर्स. फार्मराक तरी म्हाका दिसना नुकसान जालां शेवून.
काजू इम्पोर्ट जाता आनी हांगासर प्रोसेस जाता, तो हांगासर गोंयचो काजू म्हणून इट्स नॉट अ सिरियस स्टेज. दिसपाक मोठो आनी हें दिसता, हेजे कशे डील करतले तुमी? भायलो एक्सपोर्ट जावन
That is what I said.
That is already said by
So,
the
म्हणून कॅज्यू फेस्टिवल, म्हणून all this effort that tomorrow आमचे प्रोडक्शन, I said ना, we are way below the national average. 450 आमचो आसा गोंय राज्याचो, नॅशनल एवरेज 750 आसा. सो आमी ते हळू करून वी हॅव टू अपस्केल, वी हॅव टू स्केल अप, करेक्ट. सो आमी कशें स्केल अप करतले, वेर एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट ऑल्सो टेक्स मोर इनिशिएटिव्स. 56,000 जे हेक्टर्स आसा जागो, तो तातूंतलो पळोवपाक जाय 56,000 हेक्टर्साचो एक्चुअल कितले प्रोडक्शन जाता गोंय राज्यान. सो ते कशें वाडोवपाचें, ते कशें प्रत्येक ZAO कसो फार्मराक इन्सेंटीव दिता, बाबा तूं अमकें वाडय. सो हें सगळें आयवरी कोस्टाचें येता, घानाचें येता, हांगचें येता, थंयचें येता, बंद जातलें. व्हिएतनामाच्यान कॅज्यू येतालो, तो बंद जालो. कित्याक बंद जालो ना, व्हिएतनाम कितें करतालो, रॉ कॅज्यू गोंय राज्यान एक्सपोर्ट करतालो. raw cashew, and then it was getting processed here. But now Vietnam has started their own processing unit. So they are processing the raw cashew and they are exporting their own cashew. So tomorrow there will be a time where Goa will start doing the same thing. It will take time, but when each one of us, whether it is our corporation, agriculture department, or private farmers, or talukas which don't have kazu in a big plantations in a big way, when those talukas also start cashew, that ek movement starts zalo, and they start to, so you can see that from next 5 to 10 years हळूहळू करून आमचे जे पळय कितें production आसा ते हळूहळू करून वाडटलें. सो नॅचरली आवर एवरेज वील गो अप एंड वी वील मॅच द एवरेज. एंड जे नट प्रोसेसराक पळय जे लागता मागीर ते आयवरी कोस्ट जावनी, गाना जावनी, की आनी खंयचे जावनी XYZ आमकां लागपा ना. आमी स्वयंपूर्ण जातले, आत्मनिर्भर जातली. दॅट इज द मेन motive and motto of Goa Forest Corporation and the Goa Cashew Fest, what we are organizing to be Swayambhurn, we being Swayambhurn GFDC, and to make Goa also Swayambhurn in production of cashew. So we are not dependent on anybody else for our Goa Cashew brand. And a Goa Cashew that people take home is actual Goa Cashew and not this mixed cashew from other states, other countries and all.
ते डिश जी जातली ती गोवन केजू पासून जातली काय अदर स्टेटाची यूज करतले, तेजी कितें नॉलेज आसा?
गोवन कॅज्यू मुट्टे आमी जे मुट्टे आसा
डिश बॉम्बेच्या एक सप्लायर स्टॉल
तो गोवा के ना तो what is he doing? He is doing very different kind of menu of cashew, but basically he is going to use the fruit also, but he is using more नट. म्हणजे जे कॅज्यू नट आसा, पॅनकेक आसूनी म्हणत नाजाल्यार टार्ट्स आसूनी म्हणत, दे आर डिफरंट थिंग्स ऑफ कॅज्यू. सो ही इज गोइंग टू यूज गोवन कॅज्यू.